Hi everyone, welcome back to our second to last or last weekly introduction video depending on if you are a junior or a senior. Real quick, we're going to go over the content this week and next, and then touch base on some deadlines as we begin to unwind and wind down, I guess, for the rest of this year. So this week what we're doing is we are done with trig identities, we're done with new content actually, and you're going to put what you've learned this semester and year into work actually in the form of a Desmos project. This is outlined in another video I'm going to be uploading, as well as directions that are posted under the assignment as well. So look for that as you begin this assignment. This assignment should take 1.5 to 2 hours if you are planning on receiving full points on it all the way through. It is actually technically a week and a half worth of classwork. We're going to wrap up the other half of a week with a short course reflection, which will be taking place in the second half of next week actually. So let's look at some deadlines as we begin to unwind and wrap up this year. So from the 18th to the 22nd, 18th right now is when you're watching this maybe, or the 19th sometime. From the 18th to the 22nd is going to technically be our last week of new content. And then from the 26th to the 29th, you're going to be finishing up the Desmos art project. So continuing from the previous week's work, and then a short course reflection as well. Now, if you are a senior, check your inbox. I have sent you alternative instructions based on your last week of class being the 18th to the 22nd period without any additional classwork from the 25th to the 29th. So again, seniors, check your inbox. I've already talked about final grades with you in that end as well. So if you have some late missing work, make sure you get that in. So for seniors, the last day that you can turn in work is the 26th. That is for seniors only. 26th is the last day you can turn in work for this class. And then for juniors, the last day you can turn in work is the 2nd of June, actually. Tuesday, June 2nd is the last day we're looking for work in this course. Everyone is in a place actually where you can get an A for quarter 4, as long as you are on top of the assignment. So if you haven't done any assignments, know that there are students who have gone from a 0% to an A in this class by getting work done. If you've been on top of assignments, I appreciate that. It makes my life a lot easier as well, and you should be sitting in a good place as well. So seniors, I've already talked about final grades with you all individually. Juniors will start those conversations. I mean, if you have an A right now, you have an A for the semester for the most part, as long as this project goes well. But if you are on the fence, not sure where you're going to end, that's going to be a discussion that starts to happen 26th, 27th, 29th, all the way through the end of the year. Again, there are no final exams, so this is a course reflection and a project that we're wrapping the year up with. It's not a final exam in that end. We're not going to have a cumulative exam to wrap up this year. So with that, if you are a senior, thanks for a great year. I wish you the best. I will hopefully see you at graduation on the 29th. If you're a junior, you have one more week of introduction videos from me, and then we will bring closure to this as well. I hope everyone's in a good place. We'll keep in touch, and I hope the week goes well, and look for the video on the Desmos project, which is to come in another submission there. Thanks.